Hello students, welcome back to our channel. This dictation is specially prepared for steno aspirants and candidates appearing for the stenotypist examination. The speed of this passage is 80 words per minute with fluctuation. Get your notebooks ready, sit comfortably, maintain proper posture and focus on accuracy along with speed. We will begin in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. The prosecution maintained that the recoveries were lawful and supported by certification in accordance with relevant statutory provisions governing electronic evidence and admissibility of digital records. Full stop. The court examined whether the accused had any history of non-compliance with bail conditions in previous proceedings. Full stop. Counsel for the applicant submitted that the accused had been granted interim protection earlier and had fully cooperated with investigative authorities without attempting to evade process of law. Full stop. Stanza. The prosecution argued that subsequent developments revealed additional allegations that increased the seriousness of the case. Full stop. The court noted that conduct of the accused during earlier proceedings was a relevant factor but had to be balanced against gravity of offense and potential risks posed by release. Full stop. Considerable discussion took place regarding the principle that bail was the rule and jail the exception, particularly where trial was likely to be prolonged due to volume of evidence and number of witnesses. Full stop. The defense submitted that continued detention would adversely affect the accused's family and employment prospects without serving any meaningful investigative purpose. Full stop. The prosecution countered that societal interest and protection of victims required cautious exercise of judicial discretion. Full stop. The court observed that each case must be assessed on its own facts, balancing individual liberty with collective interest and administration of justice. Full stop. Stanza. The court also inquired into the status of co-accused persons and whether any had been granted bail by coordinate benches. Full stop. The defense argued that party sorry, parity in treatment was essential to ensure fairness and consistency in judicial decisions. Full stop. The prosecution responded that the roles attributed to different accused varied significantly and that parity could not be claimed where involvement differed in nature and extent. Full stop. The court indicated that while parity was a relevant consideration, it must be evaluated in the context of individual allegations, evidence, and circumstances unique to each accused person. Full stop. After hearing detailed submissions, the court directed both parties to file brief written notes highlighting relevant precedents governing grant of bail in cases involving serious offences and circumstantial evidence. Full stop. Counsel for the applicant cited judgments emphasizing presumption of innocence and need to avoid unnecessary pre-trial detention. Full stop. The prosecution relied upon authorities underscoring importance of safeguarding witnesses and maintaining public confidence in criminal justice administration. Full stop. The court reserved orders on the bail application while directing the prosecution to expedite forensic examination and ensure timely production of remaining documentary evidence, full stop. Before concluding the hearing, the court cautioned counsel to refrain from making public statements that could influence witnesses or prejudice ongoing proceedings, full stop stanza. It also emphasized adherence to professional ethics and cooperation in ensuring expeditious trial, full stop. Directions were issued to the trial court to prioritize examination of key witnesses and to avoid unnecessary adjournments, full stop. The court observed that prolonged delays in criminal trials undermined both rights of accused persons and interests of victims, and that all stakeholders shared responsibility in ensuring timely administration of justice, full stop. The matter was adjourned for pronouncement of orders on a specified future date with interim directions regarding custody to continue until further judicial determination, full stop.